Hi guys, welcome back to Premio Talk Rugged. So today we're live at Computex and we're showcasing our newest stainless steel panel PC with Intel Atom X7000S processors, which is the SIO-300-ASL Series. So today I'm here with Minso. So he's going to walk us through what are the key features of SIO-300 and why it's so much benefits to the F&B manufacturing. So Minso, why do you think like in F&B manufacturing we cannot use a normal panel PC?
Yeah, so the normal panel PC is not designed for daily washdown environment. So in F&B production line, they usually use hot water or high pressure water jets, which is really easy to cause the corrosion and condensation and the machine on panel PC on conveyors.
So what are the key features of this SIO-300-ASL? What makes it different from other panel PCs?
Yeah, there are some key main features that I want to highlight right here. So first, our stainless steel panel PC is fully sealed with SUS-316 stainless steel. So which means that it can enhance the corrosion resistance.
Oh,
yeah. And secondly is have IP66 and IP69K rated, which can stand high pressure and high temperature water spring.
Oh, yeah, I think it's really important, especially in the industry. You need to have the SUS-316 and also like the IP66 and 69K because, yeah, as you mentioned, there are high water pressure jets. So you need to make sure that your panel PC is not corroded like very fastly.
Yes.
So as you mentioned earlier that the SIO is with fully SUS-316 and also is fully enclosed. So I think that you might use like a very different connectors compared to the normal one. So what type of connectors does SIO use?
Yes, our stainless steel panel PC right now we are using the industrial grade M12 connectors, which is fully sealed, so this can prevent the moisture and the water. So if the normal panel PC they use the normal connectors, so it cannot like against the water and the moisture. So it's really easily cause downtime or even like make your panel PC broken.
Oh, yeah, because the water can get through the port, right?
Yeah,
if it's not the locking. So that means like the M12 connectors are also SUS-316, right? Because they cannot corrode that well.
Moreover, normally in food and beverage production, they are using gloves because normally
as a clean environment because it's an F&B, you need everything to be very hygienic, right?
So we also like support the resistive touch and pick-up touch with glove mode. Yeah. During washdown time, normally like if we accidentally touch something because
so let's say like the HMI is running and then when you do the high pressure water jet,
maybe it stopped, it's actually press stop. So it's also cost downtime if we didn't notice about that. So our stainless steel panel PC have the enable and disable button right here. So as you can see right here, if we press it, so when you touch it, it's not going to happen. So it can protect during the washdown time. Yeah.
In F&B manufacturing, so let's say like you are doing the high pressure water jet and then somehow if you don't have that button, you will accidentally press the stop or like press the X button. Okay, that's a great feature, Minso. Yeah. So those are really good features of the SIO-300-ASL. Do you think that this can be deployed in other applications or environments other than the F&B manufacturing?
Yeah, of course. So the SIO-300-ASL, our stainless steel panel PC, is also can fit in some hygienic or washdown environments such as like semiconductor or pharmaceutical or clean room operations.
Oh, so it's just not the industry can be variative, but the environment is what's important. Okay, that's very good. Well, thank you so much for explaining the key features of this SIO and how it can benefit the F&B manufacturing. So if you'd like to know more about the SIO-300-ASL series, feel free to check out our website at premioinc.com. Talk Rugged, see you next time.